Subscribe to Tech Now Review to get all kinds of tech news and press the bell icon to get notified for our future uploads.
Xiaomi is well known for its updates of older devices getting newest user interface, and 4 years older Redmi 1S got Miui 9 back in January, and also the 3-year-old smartphone Mi 4C is on the list of the devices which will get Miui 10 update sooner or later in this year. So in this video I'll clear all your doubts about Miui 10, various kinds of updates, how to install it, and what are the devices which will get the update and when the update is going to roll out for all of the devices. And guys, if you haven't yet followed us on Instagram, then do follow us on Instagram, and as you know that you can always ask any questions on Instagram by posting direct message to us, and I'll try my best to answer all of your questions. So get in the description of this video, you'll get the Instagram link, tap on it and follow us on Instagram. So stick around till the end of this video. My name is Abhishek, you're watching Tech Now Review. Let's get started. So first let me be clear about the 3 kinds of updates which Xiaomi rolls out for its devices. There are 3 kinds of updates. One is closed beta, second is public or global beta, and the third is stable ROM. Stable ROM, as you know that when you buy a smartphone, the ROM or the software which comes with it out of the box is a stable update or a stable ROM. Stable ROM doesn't have any bugs or anything which is under testing or something. It is the most stable form of the update on that device. But there are 2 other kinds of updates, which is closed beta and public beta. So closed beta is a kind of update which is in development. So if a ROM is in developing stage, it is said as closed beta, and public beta is a kind of ROM which is available for developers as well as general public. So let me tell you how you get all these type of updates on your device. For getting closed beta updates, you have to unlock the bootloader of your Xiaomi phone, and then you need to install TWRP recovery on it, and after that you need to download the closed beta ROM file and you need to flash it via TWRP recovery which you had installed on your phone. But public beta or global beta is a kind of update which is available globally, so you don't need to install TWRP recovery. You just need to wait for your device to get the update, and once the update is released you can download the zip file and you can get into the updater or the system updates section of your phone, and then tap on the 3 dots and then tap on choose update package, and from here you can select the update zip file and you can directly update your phone from Miui 9 to Miui 10. So this is public beta. So now the question comes whether your phone supports the global beta ROM file or not. Now this 8.6.28 file is only available as a public beta for 3 devices: Mi 6, Mi Mix 2 and Redmi S2. So if you have one of these 3 phones, then you can directly install it. But if your phone doesn't comes under these 3 devices, then also you can get the Miui 10 update by unlocking the bootloader, then installing TWRP recovery. Now if you want to know how to unlock the bootloader or install TWRP recovery on your Xiaomi phone, then I'll put a link on the description of this video. There you'll get all the information about how to unlock the bootloader of your Xiaomi phone or how to install TWRP recovery. And now let's talk about what are the devices which will get Miui 10 update and when the update is going to roll out for your phone. Now starting with the first batch of devices that will receive Miui 10 global public beta ROM are Xiaomi Mi 6, Mi 5, Mi Mix 2, Mi Mix 2S, Mi Mix, Redmi S2, Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 5 and Mi Note 2. Now there is another batch of smartphones which is going to get the Miui 10 update late in July this year. So it starts with Redmi Note 4X, Redmi Note 4 Qualcomm, Redmi Note 5A, Redmi Note 5A Prime, Mi 5S, Mi 5S Plus, Mi Mix 2, Mi Max and all other smartphones which you can see on this screen right now. So these are the phones which is going to get the public beta ROM late in this month of July, and there is another batch of Xiaomi phones which is going to get the Miui 10 which will come late in August. So there are only 3 phones which is going to get the 3rd batch or the final batch of Miui 10 updates, and it starts with Xiaomi Mi 3, Mi 4, Redmi Note 3 Qualcomm, and also Redmi 3S or 3X, which is the Chinese variant. So these three devices will get the final MIUI 10 updates late in August this year. So these are the devices which is going to get the MIUI 10 update. And also there is a news that the global stable ROM of MIUI 10 is on testing right now, and the testing will finish on July 24th. So 24th of this month the testing will get over, and after that the stable ROM of MIUI 10 will start rolling out for all of these devices. But as for now, the new Xiaomi Mi 8 and the Mi Mix 2S are already getting the stable ROM updates in few regions. So if you have one of these devices, then you are surely getting the stable updates before anyone else gets. So these are the information which you need to know about the MIUI 10 update. So I hope that all of your questions and queries got answered in this video. If you have any other questions, then do let us know in the comments down below, and I'll surely help you in answering those questions. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to subscribe to our Tech Now Review Hindi channel. Links will be provided down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.